2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory has arrived, and it continues to push the boundaries of what a superbike can be. For years, the RSV4 has been Aprilia's flagship, born from MotoGP technology, refined on racetracks around the world, and engineered to deliver one of the most thrilling riding experiences money can buy. In 2025, it's sharper, faster, and more advanced than ever. At the heart of the RSV4 Factory lies Aprilia's legendary 1.099cc V4 engine. This power plant produces an eye-watering 217 horsepower with razor-sharp throttle response and a soundtrack that no inline-4 can match. The V4's character is what sets Aprilia apart. Ferocious at the top end, yet smooth and controllable in the mid-range, giving riders both explosive performance and usable power on the street and the track. Combined with advanced electronics, it's a package designed not just for speed, but for precision. The chassis is pure Aprilia DNA, lightweight, stiff, and tuned for agility. The aluminum twin-spar frame remains a benchmark in the superbike class, delivering feedback and stability whether you're leaned deep into a corner or blasting down the straight. For 2025, the factory model gets Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension, allowing riders to fine-tune damping electronically or let the system adapt in real time to riding conditions. Braking performance is equally top-shelf. Brembo Stylema calipers clamp down on massive dual discs up front, offering phenomenal stopping power and feel. Lightweight forged aluminum wheels not only reduce unsprung mass, but also sharpen handling, making the RSV4 Factory as agile as it is stable. Electronics are where Aprilia continues to dominate. The 2025 RSV4 Factory comes with the latest version of the APRC suite, Aprilia Performance Ride Control. This includes multi-level traction control, wheelie control, launch control, engine braking management, and cornering ABS. The system is managed through a bright TFT display, giving the rider instant access to race-derived technology that can be fine-tuned down to the smallest detail. Riding modes are fully customizable, and Aprilia even offers track-oriented data logging and lap timer functions. Ergonomics have been refined for 2025 as well. The seat unit is slimmer, the aerodynamics have been tweaked with integrated winglets for more downforce, and the overall bodywork has been designed to reduce drag while keeping the rider stable at high speeds. Every element of the RSV4 Factory is shaped by Aprilia's experience at the highest levels of racing. On the street, it's intimidating. On the track, it's devastating. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory isn't just another superbike. It's one of the purest expressions of racing technology available to the public. With 217 horsepower, semi-active Öhlins suspension, MotoGP-inspired aerodynamics, and a soundtrack that sends shivers down your spine, the RSV4 Factory is a superbike built for riders who demand nothing less than excellence. This is more than a motorcycle. This is Aprilia's masterpiece, the RSV4 Factory 2025, born on the track, perfected for the road.